girlies, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a fall clean and decorate with me part 1, and I will be showing you a super easy pumpkin spice cake ball. So make sure you stay to the end for that. Yes, I am being a little bit extra today, but you know I am obsessed with fall, so I cannot wait till the weather actually reflects how I feel in my heart, if you know what I mean. So let's get started. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. I will have lots and lots of fall content coming your way. I do lots of cleaning and decorating, organizing, lots of budget friendly ideas. I do recipes and all of that. So if that's up your alley, make sure you click the button and then click the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so let's get started on this cleaning and decorating. Of course, I am in the fall mood, and if you know me in real life, you know that I am fall obsessed. So I was super happy that I finally got around to getting all this decorating and stuff done. Like I said before, make sure you stay to the end because I made some really good pumpkin spice cake balls. They're pretty easy to make and they turned out super delicious. It would be really cute for some kind of little fall party or maybe Halloween party or just a treat, you know, for every day, I guess. So stay tuned. As you guys can see, I did film myself when I cleaned and decorated for summer. I never ended up getting the video up. Let me know if you guys still want to see it. I don't really know if anybody still cares about summer. But what's the weather like where you guys are right now? I'm in Nebraska and we're still in the 80s. So not too hot, but definitely not fall weather yet.
Is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place. My place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do.
So as you can tell, my house was a complete disaster at this point, but I always like to clean first before I decorate just so that I can start off with a fresh slate. So that's what I'm doing first, and then, you know, afterwards we'll get to the fun part. But I just like to show you guys real life messes. You know, we're a family of 7, 5 kids. There's no way we can keep the house clean all the time. So, you know, you are not alone. If your house is a mess too, we are in this together. All right, so as you can tell, I actually cleaned this vent not too long ago, but it is disgusting. I have my entryway table like right in front of it, so I don't even see this vent most of the time. But for whatever reason, it gets so dirty so fast. It was crazy how much junk I got out of there. But anyway, I'm using to clean with this method, Honey Crisp Apple Scent. I actually love it. I think it cleans really good, but I love the scent. It really gets me into that fall mood, like that, you know, apple cinnamon type of scent. So let me know what your favorite fall cleaning product is.
Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Show ya. Show me the call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
All right, so this particular YouTube channel that I'm playing right now on the TV is called Autumn Cozy. They have a lot of different like scenery type videos that will be sure to set the mood. They have more spooky ones. They have, I'm pretty sure they have like some Christmas ones, coffee shop type ones. It's really, really cool. So go ahead and check them out. And then I'm just cleaning off this really, really dusty mantle, and we're close to decorating.
Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time.
Okay, so the first thing, I'm just trying to decorate this mantle and secure the fall leaves and everything. And I think it did come out pretty cute in the end. And I don't know if you guys are like this, but I like to play around with stuff a lot. And, you know, before the fall is over, I'm sure I will have added things to this, taken it away, changed some things around, but that's just how it goes with me.
Get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you.
Okay, I'm always struggling with these couch covers. It just is what it is. I'm just making it work for the moment. But let me know what your favorite piece of decor was, or what area was your favorite once I'm done decorating. And then also, I told you guys earlier, this is part 1. So part 2 of my fall clean and decorate, I will be decorating my dining area and my kitchen. And of course, I will be sure to share another recipe in that video. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe. And if you're not new, thank you for coming back. And then make sure that your bell is also clicked so that you'll be notified for my next video.
From behind, I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you.
My favorite part of the decor so far will be this entryway table. So make sure you stay tuned so you can see that come together.
It can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer.
So if you notice that the video is a tad bit darker at this point, it's because it is late at night. And, you know, I'm still going strong. So that is why there's no natural light anymore. But I use this pumpkin spice vanilla scented potpourri in this dough bowl. And it smells really good. And it came out pretty cute. So as you can see, I did have to change up this entryway table just a tad bit. I have forgotten about this cute light up fall sign. And I'm like, I absolutely have to use this. And I think this was the perfect spot to put it.
Wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh.
Where are you? Where are you?
Okay, so this part is super easy. I did not bake the cake on camera or anything, but all you need is a box of spiced cake mix, 3 eggs, and then a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. You will mix it all together and then bake 2 9-inch round pans. So in another bowl, you will add 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of softened butter. You'll mix all that up. You'll add some vanilla extract, and then you will add your powdered sugar in there. I believe I added about 3 cups of powdered sugar, and you'll just mix that until it's basically just a frosting. So to your frosting, you will add in your crumbled cooled cakes, and you'll mix it really good, and then you will form cake balls. So I just used like a little cookie scoop and made it easier. After that, you will stick them in the freezer for, you know, about 20 minutes or so.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations.
Okay, so while the cake balls are in the freezer, you will get some of this white chocolate almond bark, melt it in the microwave, and then you're going to roll those cake balls inside of the white chocolate. When that is done, you'll put them on the cookie sheet, and then you will also melt some milk chocolate and just kind of drizzle it over the top. At the end, I added some like little gold, like flaky type sprinkles. It just gave it a little bit more, just made it look a little bit more cute. And then I added these pumpkin little toothpicks to the top.
Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from.
That is all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a like if you did. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you. And if you guys make these spiced cake balls, make sure you tag me over on Instagram. I'd love to see how they turned out. And my handle is Just Marie Homemade. I will see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye-bye.